Hey, Wazy team, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. So what I do is track my progress as a relatively new algorithmic trader, trading the indices, and I'll be getting into Forex and stuff soon. So what we are doing in this video is take a look at the backtest for the 2-bar IBS on the PLEX algo that I've been working on, which trades multiple strategies. So if there is something that you want to keep track of, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to chat with me, head across to Discord. Is the first link in the description. Right, so yeah, let me just jump straight into it. Alright, so just as before, we're going to be trading PLEX on the NASDAQ control point from 2019 on the daily time frame. Now the market is open, so we just use the current spread, whatever it is. If we take a look at the settings, starting with the same 1K in the account, and in the last video we did the 1-bar IBS. If you want to take a look at that, you could check the card above here. But now we're going and take a look at the 2-bar IBS. So all the other strategies are off and we just have the 2-bar on. So the 2-bar trades on the daily time frame uses a 40 exponential as the super smoother, and the entry is 0.2. Now there is an exit value here of 0.79, which is the same exit as the 1-bar. However, for this we're using a different exit type. So you can see at the moment I have 4 different exit types depending on the strategy. So if I switch it to IBS exit, it would actually use this value, but I'm using the high exit, which means if the current bar closes above the high of the previous bar, then it would exit the trade. The risk factor is 0.3, and there is a magic number 102. Now you'll notice there all the different strategies have a different magic number, and this is how the bot understands which strategy trades, and it can manage each one independently. Right, so those are the settings for the 2-bar. We still have the equity stop on, so if the market drops below 25%, it would close the trade. It will close all open trades actually, right? And the slippage is still 3, right? We have a max spread of 200. Now the 2-bar IBS, because of the way the strategy is, it isn't meant to have a whole bunch of trades, and that isn't my aim with this bot. It isn't designed where it will be trading every minute. It would look for quality trades for each different strategy. When combined, you would get a large sample size of trades, but individually it would just look for relatively decent trades for that particular strategy. So yeah, this is the settings, and let me just run the test and I will get back to you when the test is over. All right, so there you have it. This is the backtest for the NASDAQ. If we look at the reports, it isn't much. You could see it's just about 60% over the period of time. But you have to remember, this is just one strategy in the portfolio of strategy that PLEX trades. So the drawdown was what, almost 8%. That's not bad, right? So what I would do is in the next video, apart from doing a backtest on the other strategies, I would be doing individual videos on each strategy so you could actually trade it yourself manually, build an indicator for it, or build your own algo and trade it yourself and backtest it yourself. All right. So yeah, that is it for now. I would see you guys in the next video.